I normally don't come to answer everybody's attack on one another or on me. But since a colleague of mine, Venzy Viegas, has made such an outburst and they are trying to play it as if the Congress is bad and I have ganged up or tied up with the BJP, I thought it is most prudent that I should respond, even though there were some people who said, you don't bother, don't take it down to that level. But I thought I should not run away, I should face and I should respond and clarify and know what is the correct position. My standing as a lawyer for over 33 years is well known. The fact that I have also argued certain very important matters which have laid down law and also been published in journals across the country, upheld by the Supreme Court, is also known in the legal circles. The kind of respect I give to the courts and the courts give to me is also known. And I think that I carry that same kind of a decorum when I enter the assembly. I don't have a political background as a legislator. And therefore, I may be having a shortfall or a shortcoming to do things which many others would do. But I'm proud that what I do is for the good of the people and the good of Goa. People have faith in me, my voters trusted me, and they elected me to the house. You know that आमकां election जात्री आमी assembly वयतात तेन्ना लोकां भावार्थ आसा आमी कितें कोतले आमी कितें सांगतले आनी बरे गोश्ट मानून आमी रेस कोतले सगळ्यांचे इशू. Now on this, why did Venzy Viegas get upset? Venzy Viegas and I दाखवेल तुका आमी स्टार्ट केले तेन्ना व्हिडिओ दाखयला. He said the request for amendments of the code is by way of Article 652. आणि मागीर म्हणला हे 1526 2000 शेकड्याचो कोड हे जेचो अमेंडमेंट हाडटो जाल्यार आतां तो आमी हाडून सोदताय. It has to be brought by means of Article 652 of the code, which has not been done in the right manner.